What's going on, guys? Ankush Mittal here. In today's video I'll be sharing a very different method to make at least $100 every single day. You just need to do some effort, you just need to give some value, and after a bunch of week you can really make a good amount of money. You can really charge high ticket prices from them. Okay, and literally you do not need any experience for this method. Okay, so if you are new to the channel and you are interested in the making money online and business related videos, then you should go below and hit the subscribe button now. And after you subscribe, you can also comment like I have subscribed, so that I can reach out to you and welcoming you to the family. Okay, so now how you can make up to $100 even without having any prior experience. What you need to do, just reach out to the you need to reach out to the business owners or blog owners, just like you can do like what you can do, it's the you can do like okay, fat loss. Okay, fat loss, it's fat loss. Okay, so what do you need to do, just you will see the client, you see the lots and lots of blogs over here. You just need to open these blogs over here and just need to reach out these guys. Okay, just reach out to these guys and you will see the contact here option over here. This method is really different. I'm going to show you. When you are going to reach, you will find the email, the owner's email, or you may find the contact us page. And what you can do over here, you can tell them that you are in the after finding the email, just let me just show you after it has been loaded. Okay, the website is really different over here. Okay, the website is really much big. Okay, just wait for a second over here. They haven't I think this is the page over here for the contact page. Okay, it's taking a bit longer. What the hell, I'm sorry for this. We are going to move forward. What do you need to do, just reach out. After reaching out this guy, you can tell him that you are an expert of the Facebook ads or whatever the Google ad is. Okay, so but how are you gonna to do that? You are not an expert. What you can do, just go to the YouTube. You'll find tons and tons of videos that are teaching absolutely for free how to run Facebook ads. You remember, you have to take action to make money online. You have to take action. Okay, this is not opening. I think there is some kind of server problem. Okay, you are going to find over here, yeah, you can see over here customer service. You just need to click this and you can write them over there that you are a Facebook ads expert. Okay, what you can do then, you can learn the Facebook ads from YouTube, or you can go to the Udemy. Udemy is basically a site where you can get every course for $10. You can learn the Facebook ads from the Udemy, and it's still $10. And if you can't afford $10, then what should you do? You should go and buy the course, and after you have done the course, you have learned everything, you can take refund for the course. They are not going to charge you anything. They are simply going to refund you your money. That's the simple point over here. After learning, reach out to these guys and you can tell him, because now you are an expert in the Facebook ads. You have learned everything about the Facebook ad. You can reach out, just like for every lead, for every you can tell him that I'm going to send the amount, I'm going to send the traffic to your capture page, to your landing page, and for every lead you are going to grab, I am charging you over $2. If you are getting it for $1 with the help of Facebook ads, you can charge him $2. If you are getting it for $2, you can charge him $3. And these guys are going to pay you because they know that Facebook ads are really highly targeted traffic. Okay, so it's a win-win situation for both of you. When you are going to run the Facebook ads for him, they are absolutely going to make money from it. And if you are going to make money, and you are also going to charge money from them, so both of you are making money from this guy. Okay, so it's a win-win situation. You are giving value to them, you are helping them to build their business. So that's the simple point. There should be win-win situation for both of the guys. Then only the business will run, otherwise it will end up. Okay, so it's that simple. You just need to take action and you can really build a great income from this step. Okay, and it's very easy. You just need to learn the skill. You need to develop high income skill to make money. That's reality. Okay, so this was a video on how you can make a great money without even without any prior experience. Okay, so if you like this video, then you can go below and subscribe the channel now, and after you subscribe, you should also press the bell icon so you do not miss any videos like this. So thanks for watching.